Hello and welcome back to the second part of the project. And previously, we built our project. We write all the all the code for the project was ready, and our website was all up and running. So now it's the time to also make sure that we push it on Git. And I'm using Azure DevOps. So if you log into your Azure account and just search for Azure DevOps, you should see Azure DevOps organization. So let's click there. And then down below here, just click and it will just redirect you to a new page. So for me, it's easy for me to just do my Git link here. So on my left here, you can see that I have a couple organizations that I can just, let me make sure that I take my subscription Azure that is linked to this Azure DevOps just to have it great there. And I'm going to create a new organization. Let's call this one. I'm just going to remove the default name here. I'm just going to make sure that it's Azure. Now let's see. I'm going to call it Kema. Azure Digital Resume. Central US. Let's keep it there, and then the code here. Continue. So if you are new to Azure DevOps, this is just a platform that is mainly like a Git and everything. So all the projects are here in one place just to make sure. So let's call it I'm going to keep it simple. Digital resume here. All right. Let's make it private. I mean, it's by default it's private, but you can change it into public. That's fine. So let me, all right, I'm gonna just call it this way. You can see that everything is here. The board is here, the repo, the pipeline, the test plan, the artifacts. So if you are new, just watch some other YouTube video to understand Azure DevOps structure, but I will be going very quick here. So I'm going to go into my repo here just to make sure that I want to clone this repo down and then put my code inside here. So if I go back here, I can just copy this and go back to my project down the way here. And then inside this repo, let's see if I have a Git. Git is installed here. So let's just do a Git init here. All right, so you can see that there's a new project, new file. All right, never mind. All right, perfect. Let's keep it straight here. All right, and now let me do this. Go back to our you can see that you have a couple things here. Clone to your computer through SSH or HTTP or VS Code, which is fine, or you can push here. So let's grab this and see. Since I already, if I push this, what would happen? Alright, so a new window has opened here for me to sign in. Okay, so I just sign in and alright, let's go back to our refresh here. You can see that nothing has happened. That is perfectly fine. We just many things will have. Let's go back. Let's go back here. Alright, I was troubleshooting here. Perfect. I'm back here. So you can see that I have added one more directory here just to make sure that my local development is not going through our main repo. So I have that's why you see here .id everything just to grab make sure that nothing is going through our repo. Now let's see. So these are the remaining file. Let me clear here. And if we do our git status, you see that we have all this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's do git add everything here, and let's do git commit here -m add initial file for our portfolio. Now let's push it and see what will happen. All right, we're gonna make sure that this is up there, and then let's go back to our main repo and refresh this. Control R. All right, perfect. You see that our repo is up and ready. Let's add one thing here under our master, which is fine, but the normal way was to create a new branch out of master, out of main, and work from there and push it. But that's fine. If you understand Git, that is much easy to keep it simple. Let's add one more file here. Let's add a README file here just to make sure that we have understanding of what is happening here. One more file was added just to make sure that we have, so in our readme.md, make sure that you describe exactly what you will be doing here, and so somebody can follow your steps and get the same result or something similar. Let's push this one into our, let's check and see. Let's add it and commit it. It means that the file and push. All right, perfect. Let's check the result. You can see that we have it here. So readme read dot is here, so you can change it whatever you think is much suitable. And then thank you for this one, and then we take the next stage from here. Bye now.